Yep. You want to stop?
No.
You sure?
No.
We're going to have to walk back, you know.
What?
We're going to have to walk back.
I know.
We're going to be tired.
Yeah, we'll be tired again. We'll be very tired. Kiran, you're not tired. You've been riding in the sled.
Oh boy, Trish, this is crazy.
It's the craziest snowstorm I've ever saw. We'll get blocked in the next 2 days. Yeah, this is the best day. How? Because the snow is too deep. But at least you didn't walk. It's way too deep for you, Kiran. It's way too deep. But at least we didn't got stuck in our house. Frozen in our house.
Well, Trish, look out there. We can't go out. If we go out into that playground, we'll never come back, buddy. It's so deep. We'll just walk.
We at least try?
We'll walk a little bit more.
Right here.
All right, we'll walk a little bit more, then we'll turn around, okay?